Hey everybody, hope you're all good and the markets are treating you well. We have been building something super exciting behind the scenes here at Samyong Co Trading, and I genuinely believe this is going to be one of the most exciting things we've ever launched. Now, lots of you will know us for the Real Forex Trader series, which was in our offices, filmed. Traders from around the world would travel to our offices and battle it out against the markets. They'll be put in situations that they've never been put in before. But one thing that this restricted from people was people that were global, people that had jobs, and people that physically couldn't take a whole month out of their life and come to our offices. So I wanted to really get back to the nitty-gritty world of trading and document people globally in their own environment. So therefore, we are launching the Global Forex Trader series. This is going to be a live, documented trading series following 8 people from around the world as they go through one clear mission to prove who is the most disciplined, consistent, and driven trader. Not just who can make the most money or who can take the biggest trade. Not who can get lucky just once, not who can screenshot one winning position and disappear. This is going to document the real journey of real people that are trading around the world. The preparation, the pressure, the wins, the losses. The decision making, the risk management, the emotions, the strategy, and overall the discipline. And ultimately, we're going to find out who can perform when the markets are live, when the pressure is on, and every decision matters. Now, let me be very clear from the beginning. This series is going to be built from an educational point. There is so many people trying to enter the world of trading that don't understand the real concepts of what it actually takes. So let's follow those 8 people. Let's see how they manage their trades around their life commitments. Nothing in this series is going to be stripped back. This is going to be raw content of exactly how these people are performing. The reason why we're doing this is because trading online has become too focused on the luxury lifestyle. It's been too focused on the hype. And unfortunately, everyone in this world right now wants to see the outcome, wants to see the profit. And everybody wants that lifestyle, but very few people show the process. And in my opinion, the process is the only thing that matters. Because anybody can win just one trade. Anybody can have just one good week. And ultimately, anybody can get lucky in the market. But can you follow a plan? Can you manage your risk? Can you control drawdown? And can you stay disciplined when a trade goes against you? Can you avoid revenge trading? Can you avoid over leveraging yourself? And ultimately, when the world is watching, can you stick to that strategy through and through, regardless of whether you're in a winning or within a losing trade? This is what this series is going to be about. We're going to be taking 8 traders globally and documenting their journey as they compete, learn, develop, and prove themselves under real market conditions. Each trader will ultimately have their own background, their own trading style, their own story, their own strengths, their own weaknesses. Some may be technical traders, some may be fundamentals, some may be scalpers, some may be swing traders. Some may have years of experience. Some may be still trying to prove that they can be consistent, but every trader will be judged on more than just their performance. This is not just a leaderboard based on who made the most money. That would be too easy, and honestly, it would reward the wrong behavior. This Global Forex Trader series is going to focus on a balanced scoring system. Will we be looking at performance? Yes. But will we also be looking at drawdown controls, risk management, rule compliance, consistency, journal quality, trade planning, and decision making? We want to make this series so that you can learn from other global traders around the world. Because the best trader is not always the person who makes the most in week 1. The best trader is often the person who protects their capital, follows a process, stays consistent, and survive long enough to keep improving. That is the message I want this series to deliver. Trading is not about gambling. It is not about chasing. Trading is not about trying to flip an account overnight. Trading is about being boring, being disciplined. It's about probabilities, it's about risk, and it's about execution. It's knowing when to trade and when not to trade. And it's about building a process that you can actually repeat. Throughout this series, we're going to bring you behind the scenes. You will see trader interviews. You will see who they are, where they're from, why they trade, what are they trying to prove, and what they believe gives them an edge. We will document their preparation before the competition starts. We will look at their strategies. We will talk through their risk plans. We will ask them how they handle their pressures, their losses, their drawdowns, their disciplines. We will review selected trades, and we will break down the decision making. We will look at what went well, what went wrong, and we'll talk about what traders could have done better. And overall, we're going to turn this series into something people can actually learn from. Entertainment with education that's going to improve you as an investor and as a trader in the markets. This is not about encouraging people to copy trades. In fact, let me say this clearly, do not copy any trades in these series because they would have already happened. The purpose is to study the decision-making process. Why did the trader take that trade? What was their setup? What was their risk? Where was their stop loss? What was the target? What was the trade planned? Was it emotional? Was it within their rules? And was it good trading regardless of whether the trade won or lost? Because this is what is missing within the trading world. A winning trade can still be a bad trade, and a losing trade could still be a good trade. If the process was right, the risk was controlled, and the trade followed their plan, that is all that matters. That is the mindset that we want you to bring to this series, and we're going to make this truly global. Trading is not just one city, one country, or one type of person. The markets are global, the opportunity is global, and the pressure is global. So we want to follow traders from different backgrounds and different parts of the world, all trying to prove themselves on the same stage. 8 traders, 1 documented journey, a global audience, and 1 question: who has the discipline to prove they're the best? And applications are now officially open. So if you think that you have the chance to be one of these 8 individuals and you believe you have what it takes to be part of the Global Forex Trader Series, now is your chance to apply. You can do this either in the pinned comments or in the description. We're looking for traders who can demonstrate discipline, patience, risk awareness, consistency, and the ability to follow a structured process under pressure. It's not about who can gamble the hardest. It's not about who can take the biggest risk. This is about who can trade with discipline when the pressure is on. So if you have what it takes, click that link in the description to apply now. Now, the reason why I'm so excited about this is because I've been in this industry for a long time. We've been around since 2012. I've seen people come into trading with the wrong expectations. I've seen people think it's easy. I've seen people think one course, one strategy, or one signal, or one big trade is going to change everything for them. But the traders who last are normally the ones who respect the market. They treat trading like a skill. They review, they journal, they make risk, they learn from their losses. They keep their ego in check and under control. It's not just the loudest trader, not just the flashiest trader, not just the person who talks the best game. We want to actually see who can actually trade with structure, discipline, and control. This series is going to be released on this channel on my YouTube, and we'll be cutting the best moments into the content for you. So you will see the main episodes, you'll see the traders, and overall, I hope this is one of the most rawest documentaries I've ever brought to my channel. Get in the comments with what you think we should show in this series and whether or not you have previously watched the Real Forex Trader series. I will see you all in the first episode. Best of luck if you are applying.